All right, should be our last video for this assignment. It's finding the nth term of a geometric sequence. Okay, so it's nice that we know right off the bat it's geometric, so we know that we're looking for the common ratio. So what are we multiplying by each time to generate our next term? Here they're asking for our 11th term of the sequence, so we could do that recursively. It's low enough. But it's just a little faster to write the formula and use the formula to generate the term. So 1, 2, 4 is our sequence. Let's see here. If I write that out, 1, 2, 4, and they want us to find the 11th term. Okay, just so I keep that in mind, I need to first find my common ratio. So I'm going to do that by taking my second term, dividing it by my first term. So my common ratio here is just 2. If I think about my geometric sequence formula, explicit formula, it's G sub n equals G sub 1 times my common ratio raised to the power of n minus 1. And if I go ahead and plug that in, my first term is 1. My common ratio is 2 raised to the power of n minus 1. They want us to find the 11th term, so everywhere I see an n, I'm going to plug in an 11. And then I'm going to follow order of operations to simplify, right? So I'm going to do what's inside my parentheses first. So 11 minus 1 is 10. Then I'm going to do my exponents next. So I'm going to grab my calculator and do 2. In Desmos, I hit Shift 6. And if you have a graphing calculator, you're using that little caret button right above the division sign. So 2 to the 10th power, which gives me 1024. So 1024 times 1 is just 1024. And hop back over to Delta Math. 1024, type it in, submit, yes I'm sure, and green check mark. We're good to go. And that's all there is to finding the nth term of a geometric sequence. Thanks guys, have a great rest of your Sunday.